Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Michael Adeleye. I'm a typical Yoruba boy from Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome to my channel. This channel is created for creators and for me to showcase my skill sets and some of my jobs. But I personally created this channel to give back to society. I started my media career some years ago because I had passion for it. I left, my job and I decided to go into media. And I traveled to South Africa to study at SAE Film School, which was actually a great experience for me. So over the years, I've grown my skills. I've been able to do some jobs which I am proud of. And now I want to give back to society, and that is why I've created this channel. In this channel, I'll be teaching aspiring cinematographers, aspiring filmmakers, aspiring photographers, and so many others how to set up and how to start. I'm going to help them grow, their skill sets and all of that. My target is people in Africa because I know that Africa still need a lot of skills to grow. And if things get better, we're going to make more money in that industry and a lot of foreign direct investment is going to come in. So I want you to join my channel. I want you to subscribe. I want you to like. I want you to come on board and let's grow together. Support your boy, man. Support me. That's what I'm asking. Thank you and bye for now.